Welcome guys, today I will show you how to verify your eToro account easy and quick. First you have to open your eToro and click verify your account, and right now after that you have here to choose your country. For example, I'm from Argentina. Choose it and click continue, and you have to add your first name, middle name, last name, your gender and your birthday. Now guys, as you can see, I add my information. Click here, and I forget to add my last name. Now I will click continue. It will take me to another step. I will add my city, address, code postal, and passport number. It's optional, as you see. And also I add my address information. Click continue again. And also you have to accept terms and click confirm. And right now you have to add your experience in crypto or this. For example, me, I never, my first time here. Click continue. And leverage investing experience, never also. Or I would just click here and click continue. And here your trading knowledge, click continue. And your trading knowledge and system, click continue again. Your planned investment, click continue again. And here trading strategy. You have to complete all this, and here choose your attitude risk. Click here, choose one here, click continue. Right now I'm just skipping, click continue, and here's your financial status. I will add, for example, this and this. I will back, click continue, and I will continue again. You have to complete all this information here. Right now, click continue, read and confirm. Okay, I read it, click confirm, and also here, read and confirm, and click continue, and continue to deposit. And right now, you have to add your credit card. I can skip it, click here like this, and click here also. And right now, I verify my account. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.